Hi guys, today I will show you how to add a free monitor to your camera. This DSLR camera is the Sony HX400V model. I have been using this camera since 2017 and I love it very much. But there is one thing I don't like about this camera. The screen of the camera does not turn towards me. This really makes it difficult for me when shooting YouTube videos. To solve the situation, I need to add a monitor to it. After a short research, I decided not to spend so much money on monitors. I make a 3D design where I can use the cell phone as a monitor. Now we can get to work. I take my 3D prints without wasting time. I quickly move on to the assembly process. The rubber band here is our little secret and it's going to hold our phone tightly. You can find the STL files and materials list in the video description. I complete the assembly and mount the bracket on the camera. It holds the phone great at every angle. If you are using a Sony camera, you can pair your phone with your camera with the Imaging Edge mobile application. Or you can download the application suitable for the camera you use to your phone. And finally, my free camera monitor looks exactly the way I want it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the videos for more content.